Is your iPhone not rotating the screen when you flip it? Let's find the cause and fix this problem together. Watch till the end for an interesting way to check if the auto-rotate feature is broken. So firstly, we need to check portrait mode lock. For that, swipe down from the top right to trigger Control Center and find this little lock icon. If it's white, then portrait orientation lock is on. So we need to click on it once to see that it is now off. The next thing we need to do is open Settings. Here go in Display and Brightness. Then find Display Zoom section and make sure to set it to default option. Then tap down and tap Use Standard. This will bring back normal size screen. Now, the next way is to close app in which you have auto rotation problems. For that, swipe up to open Recents and swipe this app up to close it from Recents. Then we need to check phone for any new software updates. So go in General, tap Software Update, and here if you see any new updates, then click Update Now and follow on-screen instructions, because usually updates includes bug fixes. The next thing we can do is, of course, force restart your phone. For that, I want you to quickly press volume up button, then volume down, and then press and hold this side button till you see Apple logo on the screen. So volume up, down, and side button. Continue holding till you see Apple's logo on the screen. So let's wait a bit more and a few more seconds. Yep, now we can release the button and just wait for the phone to turn back on. And if none of the previous advices helped, then we can reset all settings. For that, go back in Settings, tap General, scroll all the way down to find Transfer or Reset iPhone, and by clicking on Reset, you will see a bunch of different options from which you need to choose Reset all settings. Don't worry, this will not delete your data, just reset settings. So enter your passcode and here tap this red option, then your phone will be restarted and this will help to fix auto rotation problem. And now let's try this out. I'm gonna open, for example, Safari, and now I'm just gonna flip my phone and yep, my screen rotates as well, so the feature is working. But if in your case it still does not work, then we can open up the built-in Compass app, which looks like that, and then move the phone in different directions. If the indicator does not react to the movement, the problem may be hardware, and it is worth contacting Service Center. And that's it. If this video helped, don't forget to hit thumbs up. Bye bye.